Alright, hey, what's up? This is a quick video for all my teacher friends, my student friends, anybody that has something that they've been trying to read and it's super boring. They're supposed to be understanding something just from reading the same chapter and they catch themselves reading it over and over again, just trying to retain it. I got something for you. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to download the Google Drive app that looks like this. And then from there, you're going to get in there and press the scan document button right here. You're going to go through page by page and scan a chapter at a time. This is if you can't find a digital version of whatever it is that you're trying to study, whatever it is you're trying to read. You can easily just go in, scan this stuff, hit Save PDF. It'll be over here in your Google Drive. All this is free. Everything we've talked about so far is free. You're going to open this up, press download right there. It will download your whole chapter. This is of a book called Counterculture. Really good Christian book if you haven't read it. Highly recommend. Then you're going to go to a app called NotebookLM, also by Google, also mostly free. There's paid stuff you can have, but you really don't need it. And then you're going to go right here to upload a source and go to your downloads, drag in the scanned document right there. And what it's going to do is it's going to take you over here and it'll add that as a source right over here. It will go through and summarize it, do a bunch of stuff like that. And I would generally have a different source for each chapter. So this is just kind of the introduction of the book, and where the really, really cool stuff about this comes in. First off, you can sit there and chat with it. It gives you some recommended questions to ask. You can ask questions based on everything in your sources, and it'll find it. If you just need help learning it, you can go in and make what's called a mind map, where it will go in and summarize stuff into different categories, and you can go into these different categories, and it will show the stuff based on that. You can make a study guide that will have an overview, questions, essays, all kinds of different stuff like that. You can do an audio overview, which is super, super good. It turns it into like a podcast with two people talking to each other. You can play that audio. You can join in with interactive mode. So the two hosts of the podcast will be talking to each other, and you press a button and start speaking into it, and it will be like you're a caller in on the podcast, and you'll be talking about anything that's in your sources that you have checked. So if you just want to do chapter 3, you uncheck everything but chapter 3, and it'll be doing that. You do a video overview. It creates a bunch of graphics and a really engaging video to walk you through whatever sources you have checked. It can take you from hours and hours of learning something to 10 to 15, 20 minutes to learn it really, really well. I cannot understate how good this stuff is and how powerful it is and how useful it is. Highly recommend.